Carbon dioxide is invisible, but it surrounds us every moment of our lives, even inside our own homes. Inside homes, CO2 levels can quietly rise beyond what we expect, especially in closed living spaces. Poor air quality affects comfort, health, and long-term well-being in ways we often underestimate. Reducing carbon emissions must start not only globally, but locally right inside our own homes. A new generation of compact devices is designed to capture carbon directly inside modern households. These systems are quiet, compact, and built to fit naturally into everyday living environments. The device continuously draws in indoor air from the surrounding living space. Inside, advanced materials selectively trap carbon dioxide molecules while letting clean air pass through. Cleaner, healthier air is then released back into the home environment. Captured carbon is safely stored in a sealed internal module for later processing. Smart sensors constantly monitor indoor carbon levels and adjust performance automatically. The system operates with minimal energy consumption, making it efficient for daily use. Reduced CO2 levels significantly improve overall indoor air quality throughout the home. A healthier indoor atmosphere supports better focus, comfort, and daily well-being. Each device helps reduce a household's carbon footprint in a measurable way. When adopted widely, small household actions can create meaningful, large-scale environmental impact. Captured carbon may even be reused in future industrial or material applications. Carbon capture technology may soon become a standard feature of future smart homes. Fighting climate change doesn't always require dramatic action or complex behavior changes. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions begin right where we live, quietly and consistently.